Hey again, everyone. This is Ryan. This video is to show you what to do if you're a little bit nervous about taking an online course for the first time, or maybe you've taken an online course and were not successful, and you're needing some help. So let's start. First things first, let's log into Blackboard here. When you go to cincinnati-state.edu, you'll go to My C-State and enter your login information. And then you'll click on Blackboard Courses. And then you will click on our appropriate course. Make sure it's the Meta 4873 20FA FYE 110. So, first of all, let's click on online learning resources. So each one of these links is designed to help you become more familiar with how to do an online course and the tools that you need to be successful. This first link is a quick test that tells you whether or not you're ready. It lets you tell it what your skills are, and it gives you some activities to do, and it'll give you a score, and it'll give you some idea of whether or not you're ready to take an online course. So there's one resource. The other resource is C-State Online, which is an actual quick course that you can take for online programs. And so you just click on the online orientation workshop and you follow the instructions for how to register. I believe this course takes like 3 hours or so. I'm sorry, it takes 1 to 3 hours to complete. So it's worth the investment of your time. So this is the online orientation workshop that I just showed you. Here's a quick netiquette statement. Netiquette is like etiquette. It just means good manners. And the reason it's here is because some students don't know how important it is to send a proper email to their instructor, meaning that you communicate in an effective way. And so you want to make sure that when you send us an email, you follow the netiquette guidelines. And those are here. The rest of the links here are just some tips. They're very good tips about how to be successful as an online student. There are so many tips all over this course that you don't have to read all of them. Stick with what pops out to you. I like this one. It's pretty simple. To be successful in an online course, know that you're in control of this. Be active. Log in every day. Ask me for help when you need it. Email me and I'll email you back almost immediately, although you're supposed to get me within 24 hours. But chances are I'll email you right back. Remember to use netiquette. Prioritize your time. So I want to encourage you right now to pause, to hit the pause button. And I want you to block off 6 hours of time throughout the week that you're going to work on this class. So you did that? Cool. The next thing, be persistent. You have to get in a routine. All of our assignments are due on Wednesdays and Sundays, and so, but you want to get in a routine of when you complete these assignments. I hope you don't complete them, at 11:58. They're due at 11:59. So you also need to have reliable internet access. So do what you can to get good internet access. Stay focused, because it's so easy in a computer to start browsing social media or something more entertaining than class. So stay focused. Find some balance, though. Don't go crazy with spending your life online trying to give your studies all their attention. And finally, give yourself some grace. So don't just think about where you've come from and what you're trying to accomplish, and know that you're going to make it. Okay, I'm going to end this with A few apps that I think that you should download on your phone. You can also get through to them through the computer, but they'll help you stay organized. The first one is Microsoft Outlook. You can do the Android version too, I'm sure they have it. Download Microsoft Outlook on your phone, because then you can just click on it and check your email. If you want to turn on your notifications, they're there, and you'll get an email, you'll get an instant notification. So download Microsoft Outlook and enter your Cincinnati State username and email, and you'll have access. App 2, Blackboard Mobile. So the reason I suggest this is because every time I update a grade, every time I send an announcement, it is at the tip of your finger. You can log into Blackboard and check it out. I don't think it's as user-friendly as the web-based version, but it's good enough. The next app I would encourage you to download on your phone, although you can certainly use your computer for this too, is called Flipgrid. We'll use Flipgrid as a way to visually communicate with each other. You're going to do your introduction to the class using Flipgrid, and you'll do a weekly check-in starting in week 2 using Flipgrid. So download it, use your Cincinnati State email address and account. It's free. Flipgrid. And the last one is Padlet. Padlet is like a message board, a vision board, a way to organize your thoughts and ideas. We're going to use Padlet really quick on a couple of assignments coming up, and so getting your Padlet account is a good idea. So there's 4 apps that you can download right now: Microsoft Outlook, Blackboard Mobile, Padlet, and Flipgrid. All right. So just to finish up, again, online learning resources is where we are. And there you are. Good luck, and please let me know if you need any help. Don't suffer. Don't stress out. Just send me an email and say, I'm lost. Please help. All right, guys. See you later.